Boya production.
Alright, welcome back to a video. We're starting this video here because it's just starting to spit. As you can see, look at this, and I don't want to risk it, and we are dealing with electrics. So I'm finally going to be changing the headlight bulb that is making that beep every time I bloody turn the fucking car on. Right, it is a D1S bulb. Okay, now let me just show you what it's looking like. Oh yeah, stay there, Sadiq, you just watch the lights. Are we winning? See, it turns on here. Well, as soon as I turn the fucking car off, it's tripping balls, bro. See, it's weird, bro. See, when you leave the ignition on, see, look at that one now, so as soon as you turn the ignition on, the light comes on. But as soon as you turn the car on, it'll just go out. Fucking weird, bro. It makes no sense. So I'm gonna change the bulb. If it's not the bulb, then I don't know what the fuck it is. Because it's just constantly beeping. Well, it is definitely that one because it says right side. And as you can see, it just doesn't fucking work. Right, so don't stand in the way of the light. Stand there, way better. Right, now come here, Lee. Go see. Where is it? Let's get a light on. Right here, so see that? What we're dealing with here is just this. Take this clip off. This thing is here, fucking broken. Because it's gonna be that clip that's fucking annoying and I hate, okay? Take that off. Right. Now the next bit is gonna be the same as that. Okay? See that? You just unclip there. And it is right there. Unclip that. Make sure you don't drop it. Catch him, bring him out. There she go. Okay, now the next bit of this video is right in there, so now I'm gonna record the rest with the phone to show you what I'm doing. Okay, going in, boys. There she go. There it is, right there. Now see these little clips holding the thing together? You don't want to take them out just yet. What you want to do is it's very hard because I can't get my hand in whilst you're in there. I'm gonna take that, have a look at it now, and then watch what I take out, and then I'll bring you back in, okay? I'm gonna take this fucking thing off. Unhook him. Come on, you fucking cockwobble. Just like that. Okay, now, see what I just took off? I took that off, right there, that silver wire. You need to take him off first, then you can unhinge it. Now I'm gonna unhinge it just by the two clips, one on that side, one on this side. You literally, you can't see it, you just gotta go by feel, and then you can pull the whole bulb out. Okay, I'll show you. Look, I've unhinged it now, I've taken them off, and now I just pull the bulb out. Okay, so you can bring that other camera now. Right, then what you will see, the bulb is out. Something's definitely fucked with this because it just, see, the actual filament inside isn't broke, but this thing here on the side is, and I don't know whether this is making it just turn on whenever it wants to. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. So then what we do, we get a new bulb, which is the Osram. Now the thing is, I hope that this is going to be the same shade, because this is this bulb and it is a Xenon 35 watt. Now this is 35 watt as well, is it? 710 Philips, yeah, 35 DS1 E1 DJ1. Yeah, it's just pretty much a stock standard one, which is 35 watt. And now this says Xenon with it. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to put this bulb in, and I don't want this one to be brighter than that side, because then it's going to be two different shades of bulb. Like say for instance this one's going to be a bit more bluer than that, then I'll have to just buy another one of these, and one of these bulbs costs fucking £35. So you've seen how to take it off. Now it's the same process in putting it back in, right? And already, Sadiq, look at that. It's already looks bluer. If you look, can you see it on the camera, Sadiq? When I just do that, can you see the actual bulb is bluer? Stand near the light, Sadiq. Go that side, go that side. Da. Don't block the light, bitch. You can see this one's got like a shade of blue. I think it is going to be like different fucking colours. Okay, now same thing in putting it back in. Careful now, boy. Awesome Ramone. Get the fuck out of the way. See, the thing is, you can't even guide it. You just can't see fucking out through there. I think we're in. Are we in? Are we in, Sadiq? Nah, I don't think so. Can't see fucking that. Right there. Just got a feel for it. Hopefully you'll... Oh, and I fucking found it. Right, now, you're gonna hold that bulb in, and then with the same hand, you wanna hinge it. One of them silver clips. You wanna put that in place. Fucking stop bouncing back, bitch. See, I'm not looking at it, actually. It's as you can't actually see fuck all. You just gotta go by just whatever the fucking. Fucking hell. Right, he's there. Cause it. Very easy. Right, I've clipped one in. Now it's this side that's pissing me off. It just clips back. Doesn't want to go in. Oh, you fucking cock. There we go. There we go. Now he's hinged in. Now you just want to plug the thing back in. Plug that thing that I took out. Am I in? Let's see. Fuck off. Let's see. Fuck. You fucking what? Nope. I mean, if you got fat hands, bro, you're done out, bro. You can't do this. So, do you think you can do it? I think not. It's fucking needs work. Just can't fucking see it. It's literally right there. Alright, let's take over. I'll show them what I'm trying to figure out here. I'll show them on this. So I've hinged it back on, but it's just that fucking clip there. I'm trying to put him back on. You don't get much play. Can't fucking see anything either. Is he in? No. Look, he's right there. He's nearly just doesn't want to go in. There we go. Now he's in. Let's pull him, push him a bit more. Right, we're done there. Right, all clipped in. Now put this back like it was. It's the same as that. Make sure you don't drop it. You fucking cock. Get up! There we go. Oh no. Are we on? No, we're not. You fucking cock. One that top one there. There she go. There she go. Plug him back on. now we turn the car on and we see, wait, where's my keys? Right, sorry about that, it just literally cut off. Sadiq stopped recording, and the thing is, the display behind is just a black screen anyway. If you just keep on recording constantly, it just turns off. So Sadiq thought he was recording, but it's just literally, it just turned off. I went upstairs, converted all the footage to the laptop. I'm like, where the fuck's the ending? So, what? Go on, Zeke. Go on, Zeke. You stand right there, Sadiq. Stand right there. What are we saying, Sadiq? We're winning. That should be the fucking whatever. Okay, now auto, yeah. Which one's brighter, Sadiq? Can you tell or no? And then obviously that side light. Are they both on? Yeah, Sadiq. Talking to you, bitch. Are they both? Yeah. Right, and then that's when you put it on thingy. Now, the thing is, come here, Sadiq. I still have that fucking thingy, that error code when I turn the car on. Watch it. You see, I still have this error code, and it beeps every time. All the bulbs are working. Go check the high beams, so just stand there at the same spot. That bulb did need replacing, but that error code is for my these ones, because these are not error free ones. And ever since I changed them, whenever I changed them, the fucking light came on, and I was like, oh. And then when I came here, and it was always this one that was out, okay. But now it's been changed, the error light is still there. And then I figured out, bro, these ain't fucking error free. The reason I have them, I've already made a video on them, the upgrade of them. So I need to code them out. Then that fucking ding will go away. You know what I mean, Sadiq? So when I changed them, error light came up. I came out, when I recorded that video, I came out, I was like, what's that? Oh shit, it's that one. So then, this whole time, I thought that was the problem. That's why it's beeping. But it's not. The fucking problem is these ain't fucking error-free codes. But, which one's bright? Is it bright one? Let me see, Sadiq. Let me take over, Sadiq, because we're brighter. Oh shit, we're the same, bro. They're alright. They are alright. Even when you look at the shutter, they are pretty much the same. Like, one's not bluer than the other, which is good. Okay, now that is that. I shall see you in the next one.